morning, it's 6:40. I found the toilet, brought my little poop kit, and used the facilities. Kudos to Washington for having so many of these really basic poop boxes around. Saves a lot of time digging holes.
Tear down the tent. I packed up in the nick of time because it is raining again. It was raining on and off all night. It was raining even when I woke up, and then as soon as it stopped, I jumped over. Sometimes I can't even believe I'm here. It is magnificent. Whoa, 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 waterfall! Nice looking trail. Horse ford or foot log. We'll try foot log. Foot log is great. Even has a handhold, so don't fall down here. Foot log was too scary for a bridge dance. I would tumble down the moment I did my pivot. Okay, well, I'll step to the side, crazy bird. Like, I'm seriously right here. Okay, yeah, you must have some chicks nearby. Don't peck me. Ah! Ah! Okay, this bird is attacking me. Get out of here! Okay, I'm running past you. Ah! Ah, it's still following me! Crazy bird! That was one bad mamma jamma of a bird. Jeez, got pecked a couple times. Whoop. There's a turn off to Holden Lake here. So you would think that's the way to Holden, but it's not. Some people have put some arrows, and I drew another one in the dirt for good measure, because you don't want people going the wrong way. Then you might have to backtrack and deal with the crazy bird. You know, that bird's lucky I'm heading to town, because I'm out of food, and it might have been a tasty treat for me. Leaving the Glacier Peak Wilderness, you are absolutely stunning. Loved it. At the Hart Lake Trailhead. Going to Holden Village. Attention hikers, camp here. No camping in Holden Village. And there are some sleepy heads. And here's the ball field. I spy 3 tents. Cool covered footbridge down there, but still on my way to Holden Village. And Winston Trailhead. Welcome, PCT hikers. This is a cute little village.
She's register. Like, what do you mean, the 20?
In the registration office.
Inside the Holden Village dining room, and I found hikers. And
we love you, Carmen. Carmen rocks.
I missed breakfast, but I don't care because I have hot coffee. I had a Cliff Bar anyways.
Oh, look at this sandwich gifted to me.
Trail magic.
Yeah, cute. Nice rooms in the lodge. If I had more time, I would stay here. The hiker special is $99, and that includes your room, laundry, shower, and 3 meals. This is the Holden Village General Store. So they have the regular touristy things for sale and knitting stuff if you like to knit, but then they also have some things that are maybe important for hikers, like darn tops and mountain hikes.
At the, the end of Oregon, for example, and see nothing in Washington.
And all these hikers and regular folks trying to get on buses. It's Saturday. Post office is closed tomorrow in Steheiken, so it's probably double the normal amount of passengers. On the POOKIE school bus.
Me and lots of hikers.
So we've arrived at Lucerne Landing. So many hikers. Everybody's waiting for the ferry to roll in. It's FIDDY shrimp!
Just FIDDY.
Oh, just FIDDY. ferry is rolling in.
Yeah. What here is like this time of year? Rocks?
Yeah, no snow.
Yeah.
The Lady of the Lake 2. The cost of this ferry is $8.50, and it should take about 45 minutes. Hikers in line at the snack bar. So I'm on the ferry here, and they do sell some snacks like beer and chips, but they have beer. You have some domestic choices, but I'm gonna go with this IPA. It's not local, it's from Idaho. It's Wallace Brewing Company's Vindicator IPA. Yeah, it is very. It's actually super hoppy. Not what I was in the mood for, but it's all right. It's all right for a ferry beer, and it's damn good beer for coming out of the woods. Wow, everybody is coming off the ferry. Very excited to be in Steheiken. Okay, so all the hikers have to wait for their packs to come off, but mine's so teeny tiny. I took mine with me, so I'm gonna hurry and get to the post office ahead of everybody, because there's a big crew coming. Even though I'm gonna miss the ranger talk about Steheiken, I know nothing about this place or where to go or anything. Welcome to the Steheiken post office. So here is the trail register in the post office. I signed my name. Where in the world is Carmen San Diego? And no comment on this trail name here. That is weird. really weird. So there's any hiker boxes everywhere and way more in the back. So I'm in Steheiken. Rainier Beer was supposed to send me some of this PCT Session IPA. They didn't. I checked the post office, I checked the UPS box, didn't arrive. So Rainier, you got my hopes up for nothing. But another hiker got some delivered and gave me a can, so at least I'll be. So this beer is brewed to support the PCTA, worthy cause. Let's try. Rainier. Thanks for supporting the PCT. That's all I gotta say about this one. This is the ranger station in Steheiken, and you need to come here to get a permit for where you want to sleep. Steheiken General Store. It is a place.
Pretty much anywhere in state. Okay.
I am on the bakery shuttle. Everybody wants to eat bakery foods on this bus. Famous Steheiken Bakery. Busy place. So many good things to have. All these good things that you can eat here. I know. For days. Just on FIDDY is responsible and got a big salad. I am not responsible and got a cinnamon bun and a pizza. So this bakery is famed for cinnamon buns. Let me try. Have it warmed up in the microwave. It's as delicious as it is messy. I had my dessert before my entree, some pizza. I am taking the $8 shuttle to the High Bridge trailhead place. I wanted to camp further up, but it was full, so I have to stay at High Bridge. But at least they have a garbage can and a toilet. Hikers are piling on.
Rain is going to be like,
I'm still on the bus, and it's raining. Did I make the wrong decision? I could be getting drunk right now in Steheiken, and maybe crashing a wedding.
I got a bag.
He has a bag full of bakery goods. That FIDDY shrimp. It is raining.
my sleeping bag not?
Keeps getting off the bus. Some people are walking 5 miles long. Some people are camping here like me. It is raining like a mofo. Ah! And I'm crossing High Bridge, PCT, but it is the North Cascades Park. Here, better see, I'm on a bridge in this pouring rain. Can't do the song because I need to get my freaking tent up before I melt. Why? Why rain now?
So this is the camping area at High Bridge. They have garbage and they have beer cans and they have a shelter.
Go this way. See, this is like an Appalachian.
There's a shelter here,
Yeah.
and it's raining. We can sleep inside. This is great.
Yeah, so it has a gravel floor, and then there is also this wooden bench here, but these beams are uneven. So I probably am gonna sleep underneath, maybe on top. Probably not on top.
Okay, so I got my permit set up on this log, but surprise, I set up my tent inside the shelter. So, well, I can't get really, see, but Fiddy Shrimp set up his tent, so if I get in trouble, he's getting in trouble too.
We're golden. Nobody's coming up here
No,
in this rain.
There's nobody